Hello Year 1, this video is for Monday the 8th of February and it's to help you a little bit with your maths work today. So this week in maths we're doing all about measuring, and your task today is to think about different things that you use in the house that will help you measure things. So you might have a jug in the kitchen that will help you measure liquid like waters or juice. And when we measure liquid, we call it capacity, the capacity that a container can hold, how much liquid it can hold. So you might have a cup and you might say it can hold 6 cupfuls, or you might have a jug that will measure in millilitres. You might also have rulers in your house, and I've got a tape measure, which is a ruler that stretches out and will measure a lot longer than the little rulers we use in school. And this will measure the length of something, how long it is or how wide it is. So I could measure my table, I could measure the door, I might want to measure a rug. If I was buying a new rug, I need to know if it fits in my living room. So there are lots of things around the house that can help you measure things. We are going to do lots on weight this week as well. And that's coming at the end of the week. So you might have some scales in your bathroom that you can stand on and measure how heavy you are. You might have scales in the kitchen, and they're not the same scales as you find on a fish. These are scales that you put something in or on, and it tells you how heavy they are. So they're very useful if you're cooking in the kitchen. So the other thing that you can measure is time, and you probably will have some clocks in your house, but also things like tablets might have a little app on with a timer on, or your phone might be able to measure time. So have a look around your house, and then your task today is to look at the different pictures and think, what would you use what would you use those things to measure? Would you be measuring capacity, which is the liquid? Would you measure time, how fast something is or how slow something is? Would you measure the length, the distance of something? Or would you be measuring the weight of how heavy something is? So lots of different words to learn this week: weight, time, capacity, measure, and then you've got the language of heavy, light, full, empty, long, short. So this week's maths, you've got to be using lots of different words and asking your grown-up if you're not sure what some of those words mean. And grown-ups, if you're not sure, then message the teachers and we will help this week. See you all soon. Looking forward to seeing lots of lovely work on measuring in maths this week.